What if your dress could whisper heritage and speak the language of tomorrow? This is Afford Homes, and my name is Isha, here to take you through Pune's most elegant residential spaces. Welcome to Koregaon Annex, Pune's most anticipated micro market next to the timeless elegance of Koregaon Park. Welcome to Mantra Mayfair, a luxury project, limited edition, meticulously crafted for those who seek more than just a home. In this video, I'll be taking you through the property details of this Mayfair project and a thorough apartment tour. So let's take a look at this project. This is the exact elevation of the project, and these are the exact directions in which the towers have been placed or demonstrated. Also, the project is spread across a land of 2.5 acres with 3 towers, Tower A, Tower B and Tower C. There are 3 basement levels plus a ground floor with 17 showrooms. Tower A consists of 27 floors while Tower B consists of 19 habitable floors. All of these are corner apartments. The ones facing on the east side are the 3.5 and 4.5 BHK apartments, while on the west are the 3 and 4 BHK apartments. The east-facing apartments are called Ultimas, while the west-facing apartments are known as Optimas. The amenities are divided on the ground floor as well as the rooftop ones. So talking about the ground floor amenities, at the entrance we have the children's park, pets park, multi-purpose sports court and much more. On the rooftop, you are provided with amenities such as a party lawn, a banquet hall, a yoga studio, a gymnasium, and of course, an infinity pool. Also, on the indoor amenities, we have the 40-seating movie theatre, indoor games such as foosball and snooker, spa, sauna, and a conference room. Talking about the location and the connectivity, we have the 24-meter wide DP road in front of the project, which connects to the Ghorpadi road on the left and the 30-meter wide upcoming Riverfront Boulevard on the right. Also, this location is minutes away from Kharadi, Kalyani Nagar, Airport and Magarpatta. A spectacle of this project is its easy access to the city's ambitious 30-meter wide riverfront development project, which is a vibrant walkable zone along the Mulla Mutha River. This was just a peek into the project. However, if you want to know more details, we will have another video about it. The type, carpet area, number of parkings, the cost, and finally the possession will be mentioned on the screen. You can take a look. Now, let's take a look at this 3.5 BHK apartment with a carpet area of 1505 square feet. Before getting into the apartment, at the entrance we have a wooden door frame, a lock by Yale which could be accessed through multiple ways. We have a thumbprint, a keypad, also your card. Now, without further ado, let's get into the apartment. As you enter, you are met with a spacious lobby, which can be decorated in multiple ways. If you are an art enthusiast, for example, you can hang up paintings or artifacts. Also, there is enough space to put up a shoe rack here. Welcome to this thoughtfully created living space where you can maybe host parties or have relaxed family gatherings. There is so much space where you can modify and bring your own personal touch to make this place feel like home. You can have a cloud-like cream-colored couch like this, a monochromatic chair, or maybe a modern chandelier, which can be a seamless blend of form and function. On the opposite side, you can position your television on this quartz background, which can also be elevated by placing multiple showpieces, attractions, and decorations according to your taste. All the dimensions are mentioned on your screen. However, the floor to ceiling has a clean 9.5 feet height. Let's get to the balconies. But before that, we have these full-length sliding windows which can let the natural light in and allow you to have fresh, breathable morning. As you can see, this is a very long walkable balcony in addition to your living room, which can be set up in multiple ways. Whether it's your coffee time or evening hangouts. You can add a coffee table here, and on the opposite side, we have space for setting up plantations. Now let's get to the dining area. The dining space comfortably accommodates 6 to 8 people at once. And as you can see, even after adding a dining table, we have ample amount of space for storage units and cabinets like these. Also, the kitchen directly overlooks the dining table. Therefore, you can have your dinner time conversations without any worries. Exactly opposite to the dining room is this warm shell kitchen where you have so much space to move around. You can add cabinets like these or granite countertops like this. Also, there is so much opportunity to make transformations and refine this room into a kitchen that you have dreamt of. Also, the dimensions of this kitchen are mentioned on the screen. Connected to the kitchen is the dry balcony. Let's take a look. In the dry balcony, you can keep your washing machine, dishwashers, or other things you wouldn't want to keep in your kitchen. The dry balcony is also directly connected to the house helps room. In the house helps room, there is comfortable space to add a bed set along with a separate washroom provided. They can have a direct entrance into the kitchen of the apartment without disturbing the living room. Moving ahead. Here we have the hallway which connects the 3 bedrooms and the washroom. Taking a look through the washroom, the CP and sanitary fittings are provided from the brand Kohler. You can also have a glass division between the shower area and the sink and add things like mirrors or cabinets like these. Now let's take a look at your toddler's room. This is the children's bedroom with an impressive double bed setup. In this corner, you can set up a study table for your children, and on the opposite side, you can have a chance to set up a wardrobe along with a bookshelf. You can take a look at the dimensions of the room on your screen, but you can notice that there is ample amount of space for your toddlers to play around. Also, we have a full-size window where the bottom part is fixed while you can move the upper part. Now let's take a look at the guest bedroom. Before entering the guest room, you get this extra space where you maybe can hang up your artifacts or add a bookshelf here. Also, let's take a look at the washroom where you are provided with Daldo tiles. This is a connected washroom for your guest bedroom. Also, for all of the washrooms in the apartment, you are provided with Dardo tiles as well as anti-skid tiles. We have the CP and sanitary fittings provided from Kohler in this one as well. Now moving ahead to the guest bedroom. In the guest bedroom, you can add a queen-sized bed, a TV unit and a huge wardrobe. You can also add side tables which can add to the opulence of your room. You can see how beautifully this room has been decorated with lightings and a modern chandelier. On this side, you get windows with a full view of the city to catch the sunrise on your daily mornings. Here you can add mosquito meshes on the upper part of the window while the bottom part is fixed for safety purposes. Now let's get to the master bedroom. This is the beautiful highlight of the apartment, the master's bedroom. This walk-in wardrobe can be modified according to your liking. You can see that there is a distinct space for the dressing area. This space has been carefully curated according to style and elegance. This is the washroom of the master bedroom. Here you can have a glass partition as well, and the CP and sanitary fittings have been provided from Kohler as I mentioned before. Moving ahead to the king-size bed of the master's bedroom. Apart from this setup, you can add multiple things to enhance the interior according to your aesthetic liking. Except the washrooms, the flooring of the apartment has vitrified tiles. Now let's take a look at the Juliet balcony of the bedroom. This standing balcony is an excellent addition to the bedroom. It has a lot of potential to be transformed into a functional area, and therefore you can add maybe plantations or a hung-up chair in this space. If you want this apartment to be the house of your dreams, then please visit us on our website or maybe give us a call. Until then, see you in the next video.